Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's jump right into these shocking and extreme hair transformations. First up, we see a big chop. So he does cut the hair into a nice angled bob. And then next up, the client does have super long hair once again. And she ends up getting this kind of like modern shaggy mullet. Loving this, lots of layers to frame the face. Love the messy chicness at the top of the hair as well. Definitely not your girl next door hairstyle. Love it. Next up, looks like we see a bob transformation. So she ends up getting some color as well. I would actually say that this is more just like a shoulder length cut because her ear hair is quite long. The stylist did add some curls in as well. Oh, so that ended up being a pixie. Very nice. Her hair is actually a little bit on the thinner side, but he created a lot of volume with the overall texture that he was able to cut within her hair. And then she looks like she's going to be getting a lob. Gorgeous shoulder length bob. Side swept bangs. Oh wow. I don't think he's gonna cut her hair. Oh, he did. I thought maybe he was just messing around. So she's getting highlights as well. She definitely seems to be a bit camera shy. Gorgeous. Love the soft highlights that the stylist created within this look. Very pretty. So this one is going to feature a hair color change. Oh, so this is where he puts the colors in a jar and the client has to pick out which color she wants. Or not what color she wants, but what color's in the jar, that's the color they're gonna go with. I honestly wish that I could be that brave where I can just pick out a color from the jar and be like, well, whatever it says, I'll go with. That takes a lot of courage. And I didn't see what she picked, but it looks so far like it's like a reddish copper tone. And then she's also getting bangs. I'd say this is more like curtain style bangs. I like the hair color, but I think he should have dyed the eyebrows or at least lightened them because they look a tad bit too dark for this color. But the haircut and the color is very fun. Oh, gorgeous. This is definitely like a 70s style shag happening. Very pretty. And you know, the eyebrows don't look too bad. Oops, so she's going with a bob haircut. Wow, I'm surprised the stylist didn't curl the hair. Usually they add some type of wave or something. There we go. And I don't typically like when they add the waves, but that haircut just looked like it needed something. I don't know. Gorgeous overall cut. She does have a middle part with that one as well. Very pretty. So his next client starts off with super long hair. And it looks like she's got like an ombre situation going on. So she wants the hair cut into a bob. Of course, that's what everybody wants. Ooh. You know what's interesting? This stylist likes to cut the hair on one side and then move on to the other. I wonder why he does that. I've never seen a stylist work that way before. And even though her hair is like grown out color, I love the way that this ombre kind of looks on her. It's like grown out ombre. Beautiful, natural, gorgeous. So next up, looks like she is getting a bob. And this time he cut the hair in rubber bands. And then I don't know what he's doing now. He showed the rubber bands, but he didn't show us cutting the hair in rubber bands. So I'm a bit confused. Regardless, she's getting a bob, so. Looks like he did a nice angle bob with this one. Wow, she's got a lot of volume with this cut. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you in the next one.